Sniper fam, yo, we are back with live trading, back on the Sniper Trading channel. I was working hard on a challenge last week. I'm now back and the full focus is live trading. Again, this is something where my heart's at, something that I think is going to become one of the most powerful shows in the world, as we are going to get down and dirty together. I'm going to be trading my live accounts with you guys, but ultimately I'm here just to teach you a few things that I've learned along the way, to show you my composure. Sometimes I'll get angry, sometimes I'll get happy, but ultimately to just really show you raw what it's like to become a trader. I think many have the dream of becoming a trader. So if this is what you want to do, buckle up and let's do it, right? It comes with a couple of things. You've got to have a lot of control when it comes to repetition of mistakes, right? Listening when your head's telling you something else, but the chart's telling you something else, like listen to what the charts are saying. To have a nice disciplined routine, to know that if you take one or two losses, take a breather, because the market's going to do whatever it can to make you to continue those losses, right? And it's the same thing with winning too. The market's going to make you arrogant at some point. You're king of the world, right? Queen of the world. You are strong, you are incredible, and that's when the market is going to humble you. So again, I want to bring you guys a pure show and a pure channel of us making money. That's the goal. Now, a key thing that I've learned through this journey is this is not a place to be a 10 out of 10 trader. It's very hard to be a 10 out of 10 trader. There'll be times in your journey you'll get accurate for a certain period, but realistically, you got to be 20-30% of the time accurate. And as long as you got a good risk to reward, you're going to make a lot of money that way. And I think if we all start to plant this in our brain, that's 20-30%. If I told you in school, you can learn a lifetime skill of making money, but you just got to get 20% to pass. Pretty sure a lot of us could do it. Right? It's just a simple tool of risk to reward. So same thing here at this point is, or where the market is right now, there are areas of where to attempt trades. And I think the important thing is knowing what a trade's going to cost you if you get it wrong, knowing the power of your wins. So if I look at my last trading history over the last week, specifically, we traded a challenge together. You're looking at around $100 to $150 per loss that we took, and a win was worth $2,000. So take a loss, take a loss, take a loss, take a loss, take one win, and you weigh in the money, right? That, for me, is the pure skill of trading. Not about being this genius, just having a really good risk to reward. And then when it comes to taking trades, just having 4 good reasons why you're going to take the trade, right? 4 good reasons that are calculating your risk to reward, giving an idea of where to put a good stop loss in. Will a stop loss ever be perfect? No, it won't. Will it get hit sometimes and take off? Yes, it will, right? Will it miss by a little bit and go in your favor? Yes, it will, right? So it's all these different ways. We're in the ocean. The ocean's wild. We don't know what tide is coming. Is it going to be rough tide today? Is it going to be big waves, small waves? All we can do is rely on our skills, right? And that's the important thing. Not predicting so much, just trading what the market is offering you. So guys, welcome to the Sniper Trading channel. Today I'm going to be trading $5,000. I'm going to be trading this on 𝗬𝗏𝗏 Exchange, one of the best crypto exchanges that I've been trading with, been partners with me for a long time. Love them to bits. So I loaded 5K and it's time to get some money in the game. I've been trading a lot of funded accounts and that's going good, okay-ish. Passing accounts, just holding the accounts at the moment and trying to take that a little bit slower. But for me, it's still a very powerful tool to be using. But now it's time to get some skin in the game and let's see what we can do within the stream. Markets have opened. We've got a little bit of volatility. Market has just obviously woken up a little bit. And then the question is, was the whole of last week kind of a scam dump, right? Because you get them many times. Was it a fake? We had a pump, went to 74, came down. Weekly charts telling me that was fake. We should go up again this week. Question is, are we going to do it straight today? If we are not going to go straight today, in the next 30, 40 minutes, we're going to see weakness. And if I have any longs, I've got one long open on another exchange. I'm going to be closing the longs and looking at some shorts, right? So I do think there's a trade to be made today. I think there's money to be made. I'm going to see how much I can grow $5,000 without being too degen. Maybe a little bit. I'm going to pump up the aggression a little bit and see how fast I can build it up. But the important thing is to stay in the rules and don't do too much damage if you get it incorrect. That is the important thing. But that's the start to live trading. So guys, can you please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump into it. Do I even have an intro song for you? Do I? Oh, God, sort of. Ole! Okay, we got an intro song. Amazing. Okay, let's jump straight into the action. Okay, so little bit of recovery today when it comes to markets. Little push up from Bitcoin. We're now sitting basically mid-range. So mid-range, we're going to be a little bit careful that this is just a correction wave. It's not actually a pump. It's something to pay attention to in the stream here, because we did actually lose a little bit of steam. We lost a little bit of steam about 2-3 days ago when we started making our way up. We had a good breakout, really good breakout actually, just to show you guys here. I love higher time frame breakouts. All right, this one's a little bit of a higher time frame break. And you could see how we broke out, we pushed up. I did say at this point, we got out in the challenge actually here. I took some profits at around 71.5, 72,000. And I was like kind of looking at this thing being fake, right? Kind of a little bit of a fake move. Let's see this bad boy come back down, retest. And then we'll see from there. And from there, we came down. We have bounced on this trend over here. Okay, and you can see recently over the last couple of hours or so, we have started breaking out, not that trend, but this trend over here, right? Which is this lower trend. And that's why we started to push up. So now where we are sitting is this important zone to know if this is a correction wave or impulse wave, right? And what do I mean by that is this a real move to the upside, or is it just a retest and we're going to continue down, right? That is the big question here. So if we look at this here and this little drop off here, is it this? Right? Or is it an actual wave? Is it this actual wave? It's a little bit deeper, but is it another wave to the upside? I am still waiting for $80,000, right? For me, that is a big zone. And if we don't get through, then I'm quite bearish. But as it stands right now, I'm quite bullish on the high time frames within the market. Not super bearish at this point. But if we don't get through this zone, then I'll be quite bearish in a couple of weeks. But for now, I think there is a lot of upside to come at some point. I think this week is a big one. So I just want to show you guys weekly why I am bullish. Okay, it's this over here. If we look at the weekly time frame, we finished the candle green, which is a good sign. Give us a good indication that this week was going to start off green too. There's a big wick here. So when we tend to leave wicks, we tend to come full of wicks, both sides, right? So if we look at this time here, when we dropped, we had this big wick over here, right? And you can see that how price came here a little bit later on to fill it. Right, then we reversed. So we're sitting on the same side here. We're sitting with this big wick to the upside here. We're sitting with a bunch of liquidity here at the lower 70,000s. So for me, I do see there is some potential upside to the market, specifically in this week. And obviously, I'm seeing it with a whole bunch of altcoins. So let's deep dive into the strategies for today and the plays that I'm looking at. A lot of altcoins are sitting at resistance. Now, this mid area here is quite important. Like I was saying, this is kind of determining if this is a correction wave or if this is a real push to the upside. Because high time frame, we just saw, it is telling us we're going to go back up there at some point this week. All right, so the important thing I kind of want to see here is if we get through here, there's a big long opportunity. Okay, so where we're sitting now is right in resistance. And if we don't and we start to fall short, right, there is a good shorting opportunity, right? And the shorting opportunity is telling me in the next probably 2-3 hours. Okay, so it's around dinner time for me now. So I will trade with you guys for a while. If I see it's worth keeping the stream up for later, I'll do so, right, to see if the short's in play. But I'm going to see if there's any big opportunities here as it stands. So right now, we rejected. So what I do is I pay attention to support. I am going to be trading lower time frames. Higher time frame, I'm quite bullish. Okay, and if I look at lower time frames, I kind of look at Bitcoin and I say, okay, there's support down there. Where we bounce now, it's not the best support just yet. Okay, but I've got a little trend line to track this down. And if I'm bullish, I basically got to look for a good entry that once I got the entry, I can put the stop loss in quickly, update the stop loss. And then from updating the stop loss, make sure we get through this area, otherwise get stopped out and go for the short. Right, we'll see this play out as it basically goes. But as this stands here, there's the trend, me tracking down. Now, I got good news. I ain't trading Bitcoin today. I'm trading altcoins today. The man is trading altcoins. He has been glitching out for too long. And I need my altcoin taste and surge. So I look at the Bitcoin dominance. It's an important thing if I'm trading alts. We've pushed up, and this is also sitting at the mid-range. So it's quite interesting to see what this is going to do. We have rejected nicely at this point, but it's quite interesting to see that, hey, is Bitcoin coiling up, and we're going to have a strong dominance here for a strong push up, Or if the market wants to come down, it does look like Bitcoin dominance wants to come down too. So altcoins will hold decent levels if that is so. So let's go through a bunch of altcoins that I'm paying attention to. First thing I'm going to do, again, I'm starting off raw over here. I'm going to bring up my account. I am trading. Where's this over here? Oh, let me not show my details. $5,000, right? There is $5,000 I'm trading. And I'm going to be taking what? I can 400x. 400x on 𝗬𝗧. Wow. Okay, that is like way too much leverage, but 400x. Wow. Shout out 𝗬𝗧. I don't know many exchanges that let you go that much. That's crazy. That is, guys, if any of you in the chats, if any of you ever traded 400x before? I know stock market stuff, you can kind of trade upwards to that, but that is just, so that means Bitcoin must go 0.2 and I'll get liquidated. And if it goes up by 1%, I'll like 4 or 5x my money. Sounds so cool, but such an easy way to get absolutely smashed. But if you use one of the techniques that I've used where you build leverage up over some time, it might become a very powerful tool. Okay, so trading 5K. Let's jump in and see where we are at the moment. We have just had a 4-hour close. So this is quite interesting. Let's go to the 4-hour. 4 hours give me a good indication of what's going to happen next. So as you could see here, even if we do pull down a little bit in the start, we should actually end this next 4 hours. We should push to the upside again. We should attempt to go to the upside. So that's interesting. So that means if I am looking for a long, I should be getting a nice little entry shortly. All right, so I'm going to keep that in mind. Okay, now let's go to my favorite altcoin. So the first one that I want to pay attention to is 𝗫 protocol. This is a token that I'm really paying attention to for a long. This token is looking quite good on the mid time frame. So if I look at this over here and I see where we're at, we had a nice strong push last week. And if I look at where we are now, I just got to keep in mind this top trend here. Okay, we actually don't look too bad. So this is a possibility of a trade, which means, let's zoom in here. Let's see where we want to get this entry. Okay, so I got support, which is a good plan. Support's around more or less in this zone over here. I then have the next line of support. So it gives me an idea of where to put a stop loss. I'm going to be quite strict with this entry. I don't want to just enter for the sake of it. But, so there's my first scenario. First scenario is down there. All right, then my next scenario, I'm going to obviously zoom in smaller time frames. Now I'm going to track this down. And that trend breaks, I'm going to long. Okay, so 𝗫 protocol is one of my first possible options. Why? While breakouts. We do have a little bit of turbulence ahead. So I want to pay attention. Oh, actually good. Wow, actually good. 𝗫 is looking pretty good. So that is one that I want to pay attention to. Then let's go to this bad boy here, which is Zcash. Let's see if there's anything. Not really today. I'm very excited on this coin over the next few days, though. I think there's going to be a beautiful move over the next few days in Zcash, but not today. Okay, AVAX. It's actually looking pretty good. Where is Solana? Guys, in the chats, let me know if you've seen anything interesting in the charts. Here's Sol. Sol's quite interesting for me. We saw Sol's coming up to this resistance. If we break that bad boy, there's a nice move back into the 90s. So this one, we're close. We're close here. I'm going to pay attention to Sol and just see here where we're sitting with some risk at the moment. Okay, down there. Okay, so you can see here, it's telling us in the next hour or two, we're going to have a decision. So that's looking pretty good. Where's another coin that's looking really sexy? This one. 𝗬𝗎. 𝗬𝗎 is looking quite sexy. Where would I protect myself? Okay, so something like this. I'm just drawing a couple of trends here to see what I'm seeing. So why I'm obviously interested, zoom out. Like, look at this big trend. Right? Let me just get that trend correct. Just want to see that it is correct. Oh, we are so close. That's a big breakout. That's from here, SUI then to 1.3, 1.4. It's a big breakout area we are at. It's looking really good. So it's also one of the, again, trades like this, I have to put tight stop losses because I kind of missed the first wave of the pump, right? So this is for me to catch the second wave of the pump, which means I really want to draw a nearby support. Just look at what's the damage here? Okay, not too bad. 0.5%. Okay, not too bad on the risk. So something like that, I could 10x opportunity on that. Solana. Sol's nearly ready for me for a possible entry. Let's look at ETH. ETH's also looking decent. Broke out of that trend. Nice push. So I'm kind of looking for coins that are tight to the supports, because that gives me an idea to put a tight stop loss. Okay, AVAX. AVAX is breaking out a 15-minute trend. Bitcoin dominance dropping. It is showing some weakness. Okay, we are going to give this just a little bit more time. SUI doesn't look bad at all. But if I get it wrong, how much am I going to lose? $250 if I get it wrong. Where is a Fibonacci level? Straight on 618. Oof. This is flat resistance. Again, I'm kind of looking for longs, but if the market doesn't do what it needs to do in the next hour or so, then we might be looking for some shorts. But market should push up a little bit more and then give us that understanding. So let's see. Okay, so 15-minute candle, 1 hour candle. Okay. Pop in the chats, guys. What are you trading? What are you trading? Let's see. Link is breaking. Okay. Hyperliquid. Retesting. Okay, I'm going to go through that. Asta. Okay. Okay. Hey, bro, there's no opportunities. Why are you missing? What do you mean there's no opportunities? There's shorts or longs. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? There is opportunity. Of course, there's opportunities in all ways. W pattern, was that not correct? No, I think there is bullishness here. There's definitely bullishness. We're just waiting to see a real breakout. So something like Sol, if it breaks this top out here, then it might be a nice long because I can just put a tight little stop on that. Just giving the market a little bit of time. This does look juicy on SUI though. I'm going to cry if I miss it, but I would have longed here. Okay, let's do that. I would have longed here and I would have put a stop loss here. Let's see how it would have played out. Well, I look for the next one. It does look, again, it's flat resistance. So if it doesn't get through here, this is why I'm not taking the trade yet, because there is resistance ahead. But if I did, let's see what would have happened. Okay, now let's jump onto the next opportunity. So someone said in the chat, Asta. Let's look at Asta. Okay, someone said, let's see. 400x, it's crazy. I'll let you know what I'm doing shortly. Live trading, yes, live trading. Along Sonic, okay, nice. Okay, DOT having this week. DOT actually does look interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna go through DOT as well. I haven't traded that in a while. Oh, you know which trade I want? It'd be cool if it was ready this stream. Is the 𝗪𝗚𝗡 trade. Okay. It's actually not a bad risk to reward here. It is a little bit actually. Okay. Oh. What trend is this? DOT actually looks juicy. It's not on here. It's not much liquidity though. So I've got to be careful on that. Okay, so Polkadot, that is one of the scenarios. 𝗨𝗚𝗡 I really want, but we don't need to rush this one. Guys, exciting news. We've got big streams coming this week on the channel. So make sure you're available Wednesday, Thursday. Trust me. News will come out soon on it. It's going to be big streams. Look at that. 𝗨𝗚𝗡, so close. This is going to be a big trade, by the way, in 𝗨𝗚𝗡. Big move. Big move, big move. Okay, so 𝗨𝗚𝗡 is there. Dot. Okay. Okay, so there's the 𝗨𝗚𝗡 trend. So yes, I like that. I like that. Zcash from 195, amazing. Bro, it's a tough one. Like for me, we can't sell in the red. Like that's always been my rule. So I'm also holding so much, bro. And I'm down a lot of money. Like, but it's not worth selling all of them now. I think we need to have like, you know, when we get that 2, 3, 4 week rally, then we kind of make decisions if we're going to sell, right? I don't think it's worth just getting out and selling in a loss. Okay, sorry, I'm just checking here quick. Guys, smash up the like button. Yeah, it does. It does. Wow, down 1.2 mil to 120K. Should I sell or keep the rate? Bro, for me, we need to wait for that. I'm actually in a similar boat. Also like 2-3M. When it comes to long-term bags, so I feel you, it's hard. But we need to wait for a 2-3 week push up. So you can try get out around 500, right? 500, 600, and then relook at it and relook at getting back to the market. We do go. Oh, it's coming. Possibly. Hype. Okay. Let's see here. Where are you? Okay, there's 𝗕. 𝗕 is also again. Okay, so my two favorites so far is 𝗕 and 𝗨𝗚𝗡. Those are my favorite setups today so far. And Solana. Sol's up there too. Okay, so there's Sol. Someone gets Sol down the list as well. Someone says they're in Sonic. I'll have a look now. Sonic has just been crazy. Okay, there's Series C. Nice. Good call, Sheldon. Good call, not long in the top, bro. But now we're at support. 618 support. Stop loss can go 786. What's that risk? So if I get 10x, that's 2%. We're going to get some music going shortly. It's quiet here. It's quiet. So for me, trading is all about good levels and just don't risk a lot. Make your losses not a lot. You get multiple attempts. Wait. Don't do it now. Come back down. Yes. Ooh. Let's do something here. I'm not going to go a lot. Get a stop loss in. See where we're at. Okay, so my stop loss will be, if I bought here now, stop loss will be 0.92. Okay, let me get the correct data on the exchange. Again, this ain't the sexiest buy in the world right now. Got some reason to, but it's not the hottest zone. Okay, 9266. 0.9266. 266. Really? I'm risking $7. No way. Let's get a little bit more oomph in that trade. Just a little bit more than that. Okay, what am I on now? $21. $21. Okay. Definitely up these numbers a little bit. Yeah, just fishing at the moment. 50. Okay, let's do around let's see here. Where's the bottom trend? Okay, yeah, let's do around a $70, $80 risk limit here. Okay, where are we at now? 115. Okay, stop now, Sheldon. There's $70. I had $115 risk. Okay, again, I got a 5K account, so risking 2%. 2%. Let's see. Okay, so again, there's not the A-class trade just yet. It's just testing the waters to see if this market does want to. Well, there we go. Okay. It's not ready to go up yet, so I'm not going to FOMO this, but there's the trend. So if this happens, I'm hoping this happens. So push up, probably going to push down again, and then I want to see that. That would be cool. Then I'm going to add more to the position then and move my stop loss up if that happens. How much am I in now? Okay, so I'm in about half the money. Half the money. I'm on a 20x though, so if I'm half the money, I'm basically on a 10x. Okay, let's get some. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Get the subs up. Like the video. Appreciate it. This is where we're at. New place. Live trading. Okay, let's get. What's it called again? Copyrights free. Free music. Okay, let's remove my screen. Bring it back on. That's good. Wow, seems glitching. We'll get back to the trades in a sec. Oh! Oh! Come on! Snipe them entries, bruh. Whoa. Come on, we need to keep going though. But that's a sexy entry. If it works. We'll see. We'll see. Shouldn't break out yet though. No, it shouldn't break out yet. Next candle should be a bit red. Sol just pushing. Big support on Sol. What's your ratio there? What's your loss on? 76, okay. Okay, let's get some music. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, Maddie, you tell me volume. Is this fine? Hey, everyone in the chat, let me know. Oh, did he arrive, eh? Yeah, he's coming. The man is coming. Got motion. Let me know. It's not the best music though, we need a bit more vibes. Alright. House. Present streamers, no copyright. Okay. Put this one again. We've done this one before though. Not bad though. Yeah, we should see a red candle here first. This should come down a bit. Like this. Ooh. Yeah, let it come down a bit. Okay. Still gotta get more than half, no, basically half my money still in. Got a great entry. I would like to see this though, like let it come down a little bit, not more, but just go sideways for like another, so they can go there, and then I can get a fat, sexy entry. Oh. So he's looking bullish. Okay, tell me. Oh. Come on, bounce. Soul. Go, 𝗬𝗏. Go! Yes, 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 yes. Oh man, how did I not get more in? I'm happy with it though, but come on. Okay, we're up nearly $400, guys. 5,000, we're up $400. Come on. Just 𝗬𝗏. Look, oh my god. It's like a... That was just like... Sounds good though. Sounds good, just gotta get through resistance. See, it's got this flag. Yeah. Sounds good though. Perfect. Great chance. Perfect. Come on, go! Is hype also ripping, huh? Well done. Someone said they got hype earlier. Oh, yo, well done. So who got hype now? Well done. Sheldon, well done, bro. Great trade. Look at that. It's coming. I can smell it in the air. Oh, even 𝗬𝗚𝗏's. Don't tempt me, bro. Don't tempt me. Should I do it, guys? Should I get into an 𝗬𝗚𝗏 trade here? Nia's also close. Oh, there's dots. Should I do it? Yeah, well done, guys. You got it. Good job. As long as you're making money, that's all that matters. We're all gonna make money. Dots. Okay, but the problem is there's one more resistance there. But dot is this thing breaking a big trend? It is. How's our suiting? Yeah, that's fine. Let it cool down a bit. Beautiful trade on hype, guys. Well done. Wow. Okay, so hype just broke through that high. Where's the next areas on hype? Wow, good breakthrough. That's a 618 breakthrough. That's very good. Oh, sorry. Don't be like that, bro. Wait, let's see where 𝗬𝗏's at, yo. Let me get back to my trade quick. I want to make sure this thing's not running straight into resistance. It is. It's quite tricky on 𝗬𝗏, actually. Oh, 𝗬𝗏 has to break through here. You gotta go, 𝗬𝗏. You gotta go. Okay. You gotta go, bro. You're not safe here yet. Not safe here yet. Stop loss under those lows. Just broke high time frame trend too. Amazing. Well done. Yeah, are we? I suppose I have to do it on dots. I can't not, right? Just a small entry. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Small entry. We're gonna go massive. Just a little one. Okay, so stop loss on dots. $14.78. 4.78. Thank you, my love. 1.478. Okay, $80. Why are you not going up here? Did I buy the right dot? No way, did it lock me out? Okay. Is it waking up? Tell me, bro, tell me. Yes, we still want to get the Solana trade as well. Oh, there you go. I want to see Sol break. Oh, we might have a nice day of altcoin trading. We'll see. Okay, what else, guys? I think I feel like we got to go into the trenches here, into the dungeon. We got to like blow up some of these alts we haven't spoken about for some time. Okay, ETH about to break out. Dominance breaking down. Bitcoin breaking trend, short time frame. That's a good sign. AVAX breaking highs. What else is moving here? 1 hour. Okay, Filecoin we need to pay attention to. Obviously, Hype had the move. Arbitrum. Okay, we've got Aptos. Okay, Filecoin. I caught such a big trade on this last year. Is my dot going up yet? Go, go, go. Okay, Asta looks okay. Candle looks like it's breaking out. Short time frame. Trailing, nice push. XRP. I'm going to XRP. I'm going to be longing XRP in the next few days. Not yet, but in the next few days, I'm longing XRP. No judging. We listen and we don't judge. Okay. Oof, AVAX. Wow. Looking good. Okay, not doing anything for the little while. Let's wait. Market's not bullish yet. It's looking good, but we're not breaking out anything crazy yet. Is hype breaking out again? Okay, when always breaks that, I'm gonna long it. For now, I think I'm not longing anything more. I'm not bullish yet. I hope my 𝗬𝗏 holds. Kevin. Hey, bro. You guys want to meet Kevin? Let me show you Kevin. Come here, Kevin. Kevin, come here. Kevin! Where's he out? He's outie. Come here. Come here. Why are you not showing me that? There you go. Come on, look. Oh, come on, look. There's Kevin. Hello. Hello. Say hi. Hey, guy. Hey, guy. Hey, guy. Come on. I'm not looking greatest anymore. What is my Sol's looking good? Sol's actually looking very nice. 𝗬𝗏, don't come down now, bro. 𝗬𝗏 does need a push though. It needs to really go. No, 𝗬𝗏. Don't do that. Welcome back to the altcoin trading. Okay, so that's not the greatest. Bomb, bomb. Not the greatest. Crazy thing with this market is you can turn bearish pretty quickly. Anything like below here, we'll obviously watch for a little trap, but anything below here is a little bit bearish. Okay, so that's an ugly red candle. That's a Bitcoin. Little fake out Bitcoin. And we just got to survive stop losses. There's support down here on Bitcoin. Old. Don't do it, man. I only risked like $80, but don't do it. $400 up to this now. Wait, I actually think my flip and stop loss is right on support. Okay, it's okay. Let's see if I have a decent stop loss. Decent stop loss strategy. Let's see. Okay, dogs, you're making the room small here. Get out of here, please. Thank you. Okay, so again, where did I put my stop loss? Just showing you guys when I'm trading, zoomed in here. Find the clearest trend, most touches, stop loss below that, all right? Kind of must bounce here, otherwise we're going, and then going up again, possibly. Go, 𝗬𝗏. Where's my dot here? Come on, dot. Where's dot here? Okay, dot's on support. Actually, no. What am I risking on dot? 1.478, $80. Let's just see where my, okay, it's quite low down, to be honest. So if I move my stops up to that low, 67. I'm gonna add a small amount here on dot. No, geez, look at that. 𝗬𝗏 went from looking like the most bullish coin to the most bearish coin in 5 minutes. Okay, what are the next trading setups we want to catch though? These are all, I don't have full on size in yet. Okay, so 𝗕𝗵𝗆, well done guys, very good trade. It's a nice pump on 𝗕𝗵𝗆. Anything on Filecoin? Anything on 𝗪𝗏? Okay, 𝗕𝗬𝗧 back into the zones. Asta, anything on Asta, Pendle, H-bar, Curve, River, Link, XRP. We might see in the next 5-minute candle now, we might see a little bit more downside again and then push up, we'll see. We got to hold this though. We are at a fat resistance, so if we smash through this resistance, there's a big move on altcoins incoming. So we're kind of like fishing in this like hot zone now. If we look at like 𝗬𝗏 as an example, oh, it needs to break this level, man. You can see where it's at. Ah, there's turbulence. If we break through here, 𝗬𝗏's going. It's the same as a lot of altcoins, to be honest. If Sol breaks through there, Sol's going back into the 90s. Oh, Sol's actually looking good now, huh? Looking better. Come on, 𝗕𝗶𝗴𝗏. Do something, bro. Poly long. We'll go through that now. We'll have a look. Bounce out here, cut it off. Cut what off, bro? See, this is not a good candle, so we need to like reverse this. Otherwise, the next one's down. Charles looking decent. There is a add-on here, so let's give it 4 minutes. If we close outside of that, did we see your flag? Oh, you're shooting there. Okay, so we want to go to the, what time from here? 5 minutes. So go to the 15 minutes. We want to see a close outside of that trend. If this comes down though in 5 minutes, then we should see a bounce on the next. Okay, we just want to, let's give it 4 minutes and let's see if we close outside of that. Okay, if anyone in the chats does see any of those tokens I was speaking about waking up, let me know at any point. What am I in at the moment? That's down. I'm in like 30%. It's just this logo. Okay, yeah, no, I'm in 50%, 55% of my money. Okay, don't kill us in the next 5 minutes. Just come down, test here, go up again. Okay, what's flying here? BTW. What is that? Aztec. Are these like new coins? Alright, let me just see if I find here. Do I see anything here? Jeez, guys, what coins are we trading here? Is this in the barrel here? Wait, what are these coins? Aztec. What's the market cap on that? BSV. I know that one. Aztec. That one. It doesn't look like it's bouncy. What did you say? Has woke. Okay, no idea. Wow, BSV's been coming down. Okay, interesting. Cool. Yeah. Wait, now is it ready? Okay. Okay, cool. I'll be there in 2 minutes. Okay, so Nia's dropping to the zone. Polkadot's chilling in support. 𝗕𝗬𝗕𝗏 𝗕. We should, over the next 2-3 weeks, get some good altcoin runs. We really should. I'm busy practicing the altcoin trading at the moment. Doge, I don't like you. You took my money last week. I'm not talking to Doge at the moment. Cool, we're not enemies. We're just not best friends right now. Okay, so we should. Did it? Yeah, so it should come down a little bit more, and then we're gonna maybe look at a little ad, but it just means we must update our stops. Yeah, this should come down a bit. Hopefully it doesn't break the trend. We should come down a bit and then go up. This is what we need. This is what we need, bulls. This is what we need. No, Sui. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it. We've been winning, we've been friends. We've been chilling. Don't take my $80. Grass looks good on the 4-hour. Pippin. That's not 𝗬𝗏𝗵𝗴's token, right? Just asking for a friend. Cake is exploding. Why are these type of tokens really? Cake. Like pancake swap. It did have a nice pump. A great pump. Wow, my stop loss is like just chilling there. Even if I get stopped here, I'm literally gonna track this thing down. We'll see the short, but there's a long coming, man. Come on, this is where we want to bounce. Bounce more, bounce more, bounce more. Optimism, Ondo, Lighter, Lido, Fetch AI, ETH, best candle on ETH. Okay, Bitcoin's got a bit of support, so we've got a little bit of hope here for Older. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna go eat some. I'll leave my screen and my trade there. You'll let me know if I get wrecked or not. At least it's not wrecked. I'm not too much exposed in. We've done good. We're not too much in the market just yet. There's gonna be trades though in this next two hours or so. I think there's gonna be some action. So I'm gonna go eat some dinner with the 𝗬𝗏 fam quick, and then we'll be back. If I get stopped out, just cry for me, okay? Because mine will be like a delayed cry. We should go up though. We should go up. We should go up. Where else is the other? So there's a, yeah, we should. Should go up. Asta. I think there's an Asta breakout, maybe. Asta might be in a, let's just see here. It might be. I'm really not happy with my damn, come 𝗵𝗶𝗏, wake up bro. Will 𝗵𝗶𝗏 make me money? This is the question. Okay, guys, you let me know. I'll let the fate decide. Okay, you let me know. I'll be back now. The music will continue to play, Matt. Just let me know. Hello. Welcome. If see, I'm hiding this now. A little bit of wake up. Nice. Oh, key trend break here. Obviously, we always want to check. Let's just see here. So let's double check our trend lines. So I try, if trades start to like play out, I still try my best to prove myself wrong. Like, okay, we're breaking this trend, but what else will stop this thing? What will stop it? What will stop it? Because the key point that's coming next in the trade is reducing risk, right? Moving stop losses up. So am I going like super tight because maybe I didn't see there's another resistance ahead, or giving it some space for the bigger move? So there's the breakout. Then next trend is here. See, so telling us there's more resistance there. Okay, it doesn't align. Okay, so there's a lot of resistance here. Okay, what's that around? 0.94. Okay, so I'm just putting a little reminder here for myself. There's a lot of turbulence there. Right now, this here. Okay, I think let's remove the risk. I have like a tiny bit of risk, but okay, $25 risk. Okay, is our other trade? Oh, come on, Dot. TP target, I'm going to go through them now. There is a short-term TP target where I just spoke about now. Which is at 0.945-ish level. But we smashed through that. There's 0.97, so 97 cents. Which is probably where we would go if we smash through this area. Yeah, so this is right, about 96 cents. Very good trade. Okay, what's Dot doing? Dot's not looking too bad either. So we got this, why is this music glitching out a bit here? Is the music also glitching for you, Matt? No, it's fine, okay. Sounds like I've got my own DJ in my ears. Okay. Look at that, that's a good breakout from Dot. Okay, so it's got some turbulence here. Here. Let's just see, is there another trend line? It looks like a breakout. Okay, then there's this gap over here. That's basically the short squeeze level. So what that just means is it can take a little bit of time to get through here. If it gets through here, it's going to go quite quickly to this area here. What's Nia doing? Bouncing and support. 𝗬𝗏𝗏. I don't know why candles look like this. Yeah. I'm still quite bullish on 𝗬𝗏𝗏. Like a good spot trade. Curve. Little XRP breaking here. Yo, guys, let me just read here. Okay, guys, in the chat, what trades are you in? In anything? Who's short? And tell me your reason. Like, I always got to try think bearish here, but if you are short, let me know like why. Upstairs, down here. Yeah. I wish it was like that. Shorts on 𝗕𝗵𝗹𝗃. I actually know that. What's Sue doing here? Just chilling. There is quite a bit of turbulence ahead. At least we're getting some distance from the trend line. That just means it can like screw around here for a bit and give us some time. And it's either going to squeeze or it'll give us an early sign here. We're not going to kind of make it. For some reason, Sui is looking quite strong today. So again, you kind of look at where's Bitcoin at. Okay, Bitcoin's looking strong, breaking a trend, things like that. Then I shift to the bubbles and obviously see if there's anything like interesting, specifically the 1 hour, to see is there any like new bubbles starting to wake up. And then you can kind of see, okay, there's a bit of action there. Then I go through to the charts, look at a little bit high time frame. Is there anything stopping us on the daily, weekly, 4 hour? And then I look at like adding 3-4 simple tools to see if it's a good entry or not. Just to see that I'm not chasing and I have like a good risk to reward, stop loss in a reasonable area. I don't know if you guys saw earlier, but we had a good stop loss. Okay, obviously moved it up a little bit, but our old stop loss was here. Where was it? Around here somewhere. So we had a really good stop loss. So again, it was like kind of looking for the trend here, another trend break over here. So support trend, break of resistance. And there's a little bit of horizontal. So there's around 3 reasons for me to take there. And I was kind of happy with the risk to reward, risking $80. And you can see right now we're 470 up. So even if I did lose, you can just see how powerful the wins are. All right, so if I risk $80 per time on an entry, but one of my wins is $450, like that means like 4 losses are equal to 1 win. You know, that gives me confidence behind a trader. Okay, I got to get like 1 out of 4 right in difficult markets. Sometimes great markets, a lot easier. But it becomes a little bit more reasonable than me having to be this trader that's 10 out of 10 type of thing. That should squeeze. It should. It's looking good. Short Trump. Short because I was born with good one. So the rest of the market's looking like a little bit short-term pullbacky. Sue is looking decent. It's pretty strong. I actually want to look at Sue to Bitcoin. So when I'm trading a token as well, I kind of like specifically if the Bitcoin dominance is looking bullish. Remember, dominance kind of giving indication is money going to Bitcoin or alts for the day. And you can see there was this pullback, but over the last like 24, 48 hours, we have seen some strength from Bitcoin over alts. So you kind of want to be a little bit selective. I kind of went for strength. And when I want to double check as well, just looking into the Bitcoin chart also helps. Because if it's strong to Bitcoin, which it really is looking like it. Okay, where's another trend? There's another trend. Okay, so some resistance ahead. It looks like a good breakout to Bitcoin. So that's a good sign. You definitely, if you want to look as a secondary part before taking choosing an altcoin for the day, just see if there's strength on the short time frame, mid time frame on to the Bitcoin pairing. That helps. It does help. Come on, let's go. Okay, so what does 0.944, what does that look like profit-wise? $800, not bad. Hopefully dot can make me some money there too. How much am I aim on dot? Not much. Wow, I'm in very little on dot actually. What's my risk here? Okay, so everything, wow, Bitcoin pulling back. What does 𝗬𝗏 do now? Oh, 𝗬's strong. Rest of the, okay, we're back on support. So here's Solana. It's another coin I really want to try get an entry in. But it's got like quite a fat wide wedge. It should short-term bounce here. Otherwise it's going down here. But there's a bit of a wedge going here. So it could take a little bit of time for it to play out. Unless it breaks one of them, then we're going to see. We should then drop down here, push up. Where's the 618 here? Okay, so there's 0.5 here. Okay, so basically this zone here. Come on, 𝗬𝗏. So dominance is dropping pretty hard. Okay, radium long. Oh, is he shorting Sol? I'll look and see if there's some shorts now. Appreciate it. Thank you for being here. Okay, so there's the bearish. See, so if it respects, it's going to do this. So it comes down here. Should see something like that. So we should see something like this. Go, 𝗬𝗏. We're not going to push too long this stream. I think we'll go like another 40 minutes or so. Maddie, another 40 minutes or so, bro. Let's get the trades moving, get some updates going here. We're still going to be here for a little while. We got big streams coming in the week, guys. Please subscribe. Long, big, entertaining streams. Hello, yo. Looks as short if it breaks the trend. Okay, did you take profits on your, what was pumping on all? Hype. Let me know how your hype trade went, Shane. It's looking so good. This is actually going to be a very strong bullish coin in the bull run, or whenever we have like a real alt surge. Like, I think this is going to $100. Just my thoughts, but I think it's looking really good. Okay, Filecoin showing some strength. Dots, are we going to do anything? Yeah, still down there. There might be a short on Zcash, guys. Just like a short term. Should I take it? Should I hedge? Okay, let's see. Maybe that's a good plan. Just a short-term hedge. If this market wants to pull back, then I got something short. But obviously, if it plays the bull scenario, I got two longs. So we'll take a small cut. Is this a short? Let's see. I'm not going to pre-shoot this yet. Let's give it, what's the 15-minute candle? Yeah, let's give it a little bit more time. I need to be sure about that if I'm going to short. Sue's looking okay. That's not a good candle though. We need a better candle than this. Come on, high low bounce here. Come on, Sol. Okay, we did lose that trend. Came back to that bottom trend line, huh? Go, Sui. Guys, I need a little bit of advice from friends. Like, should I take profit there? So I can always just put the stops to entry, or like go for the big one, because if it does break, let me know. It'll be $800 on 5K, which is good. I have a secondary trade in, but I need some help. Let me know. Oh, nice. Yes, it did change. It did change. We should see some strength here. Okay, Bitcoin down. Bitcoin should bounce. Maybe a little lower low, but we should come down here and find a bounce. Come on. That's so. No, man, not that. Let's see. Sold BTC. I'm so confused what I just searched now. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Sold to Bitcoin short-term breakout. That's good. Just means it might hold nicely, but bet on the downside. So that's a good sign for Sol there. Okay, there's near. Very good candle from Hype. Where's Hype's next resistance? Wow, this thing is good. It's probably around close to 36. A little bit before that, 35.5. Very nice there. Come on, Dot. This must be a good entry. This one I'll definitely hold a bit because it's a 4-hour break. Wow, yeah, the Trump coin is gone. Wow. Yeah, Sol should bounce here. Guys, why didn't no one tell me we're going up? Okay. He's scrolling through coins and no one even lets me know. Why not screaming, bro?
As well, bro. I'm also in. I didn't even realize.
Really?
Yeah, I got in the Sui one. Same time as you.
True? What's your entry price?
We got in at Sui entry price 0.93 on the dot.
On the dot? Oh,
yeah.
Good entry.
Yeah.
Good entry. What did we get in at? Oh, 0.928. Wow, that's a good entry.
Yeah, it's power.
Ah, come on. Where's the 15 minutes? We need some more. Vuma. Is this optimism? Look, I think the next 2-3 weeks we're just gonna like trade some alts. Some of these are gonna be fun. Yeah, they're gonna be fun for a little while. I think in hard times, stick to Bitcoin. But I think when things start to move up again, like definitely like a fish and couple alts, but not long term. No, I'm not gonna be trading alts like for the whole year. Trade it now, try to grow the account as much as possible, and then go back to Bitcoin for a little while.
Yeah.
How those guys comment? Yeah, we actually need better music. This hit right last time. It's not hitting today. House music, no copyright. Okay. The only thing is I don't like choosing these playlists because then it plays music that's not non-copyright. Maybe this is better. Go, 𝗬𝗎, go. Okay, what do we do, guys? I need your help. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Am I happy with the... How much am I on? 700? It should go up a little more. Or do we go... Okay, let's just see. I will definitely update my stop loss. I don't want to lose money. Okay, otherwise here, what's 96.50? I just want to see. But I don't know if I'm super bullish on Bitcoin like for the next 2 hours. Yes, tell me. Oh, 2K. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Oh, this one? Bart Simpson. Which one is it? Which one are you talking about, bro? Bart Simpson. Let's see Bart Simpson, bro. All depends, to be honest. Like USDT dominance is good. Just choose your flavor. Like I go through different stages, but it's always a good chart to look at. Where is mine? Okay, so definitely has turbulence ahead. So there's one resistance here, that's why I got at the bottom box, and then there's another one there. And then, but it does look a little bit bullish. There's the trend, so not like long. I think so now. Okay, come on, Bitcoin. This is where we've got to see some. This is where we want to see a bounce. Also not reacting too bad to the downside. Asta, AVAX. Taking the shot. So basically, basically close half position then. No, I put more in. I think I put 2,500 into the trade. Are we dropping? We gotta see some strength. So I'm just playing a bunch of blockers here. Okay, so Bitcoin's losing that trend then. Yes. That wasn't a good trend line. Okay, there's a better trend line. Okay, that makes more sense. Watch out. Ah. No, I think we're good. What? Also, I'm pulling back. Yeah, at the moment they're not. Why is my... Market's still a bit short-term bearish. Of course, if you're happy, take it. The money's there. We got the winning trade. If anyone is happy with the money, take it. Of course. Yeah, I really want to build this account up. I'm actually going to connect accounts up to a trading journal for you guys, and we'll just monitor trades, and every few days just check the analysis, see what I'm repeating, what I'm getting right. The goal is to be aggressive, but still like just keep the counts alive. You know, don't do too much damage when you get things wrong. Oh, wow. This is true. This is true. If you are going to hold your trade, is it close?
6 cents away.
Just flirting with you, huh? How much are you down? Okay, okay. Yeah, it might hit her.
Oh no.
You're gone.
No, it's really close.
Oh, and it's so close to a bounce zone too. Which means, so then you have the decision now, you're like, oh, should I just not move the stop loss more down? I would rather get stopped and re-enter here than wait for it to like recover a bit, because then we can build quicker. But there is one more long entry after this. If you get stopped, you're going long straight away. So maybe have 5% or something ready there. And when you're ready, then Even if it's the other one out, you can still get the other trade in.
You're thinking of about 6 cents away.
No, it's gonna. I think it's like right below. Okay, just get that 10. Okay, get it ready. No, like do like 6%. Stop loss. Okay, quick.
6% in now.
Right, just get it ready. Okay.
No.
Yeah. You're in. Okay, go 84.05. 84.05. What the hell happened to my trade even now? No. Where are we? Okay.
That's a tiny stop loss there.
Yeah, it's basically going for the 618 bounce. Let's just see. What's the risk?
46 dollars.
Yeah. Let's risk little bits, bro. Wait for one, then we got some money in the bank, and then okay. No, Sui. Oh, you were so close to TP, man. Come on. This could be the short-term flush, though. We have one line. Let's just see if there's any reason to be bullish on. Yes. There's still a reason to be bullish on Bitcoin. Okay, this is it. This is where we need to bounce and see power here. Just, I need to get off the 5-minute charts. It makes you like way too stressful. Hey? The 5-minute like gives you stress levels. How's my dot doing? It's actually holding very good. Come on, Bitcoin, get us a bounce there. Probably gonna be a little bit short-term bearish here. Let's see. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a 5-minute breather. I'll be back in a sec. Okay. I'm in profits on my dot trade. Come, let's go. I am actually in way too little on this coin. Is it? It's not breaking out yet, though. I need to get a little bit more size and dot. Okay, so there is resistance above. There is a short-term little breakout. I'm gonna build a little bit more here. Don't buy me too high. Yeah. How much am I risking here now? 200 is a bit much. I'm gonna go 4, 9, 3. Okay, $130 on that one. Risk. A little bit tight though. I'm just gonna move down a tiny bit there. 154. Okay, Neo's bouncing. Yeah, we should be probably come down again, either slightly lower low or higher low, and then we should bounce. Kind of last lines of support for the day. So that account just small losses now, just got to get a win. We've got a win. Go. At least the market's still cheap. This is okay. Okay, so it's moving that one. I hope this dark one does well, man. And she's a little bit too close though. And it's always a good thing to do. Put a limit order where you're going to put your stop loss. Okay, is anything bouncing nicely? If we bounce here, guys, there's a whole bunch of alts that open up for some more trades. Okay, there is optimism. Go, 𝗬𝗎. Is that a polka dot bounce? Oh, we need to just break this next trend. I'm then gonna crunch my stop loss up even more and make the position bigger. You got in 6 there.
Yeah.
Decentish bounce.
Yeah, it's interesting.
So you had like a similar position size.
Yeah, it was
Okay.
14.5.
Another one was? Okay. That's good. Then we got a trend coming up. Okay, guys, another 10, 15, then we should see some more action. For now, it's like just going to kind of push its way to the... We might even attempt one more down. We should hold the lows, maybe slightly lower low if it does. Oh no, 𝗬𝗎. You're just showing strength, bro. At least I'm not risking too much today, which is good. Okay, there is some support here. I should have actually taken the SOL trade with you. I didn't even think about it. Why did I not take the SOL trade? I still got cash. Okay, see you guys. But before I go, just to test, I'm going to put a stop loss here, a take profit here. 945, 0.945. If it hits by the time I come back, then it's meant to be 0.945. Okay, that's the plan. Don't. Come on, 𝗬𝗏. Okay. Okay, so this candle will come down a bit on the SOL chart. USDT. This should go up a bit more in the drop, especially that's the bull scenario. Bear scenario is we're popping here. Remember, then this chart's going up, market's going down. But this is like, I'd be probably looking for a short if I was trading this coin. Where's Dean? Where's you got your phone there? Have you got a bit on it? Is it not? Oh, dot. Costing me money here. That's $73, not bad. Just to reset this. That dot's breaking below there. So where is the 618 here? Thing is, it's not a short-term trade. You're buying a 4-hour breakout. Oh, but my stops need to be down here. Okay, it's not too bad. I think I'm going to give a bit more room on the, I'm going to hold the dot trade. I might call the, I'm dropping this here. What's my risk then? $260. Because dots are like, it's the bigger move I kind of want to catch, the higher time frame move. So I'm going to go one of a space. So I'm going to be at $200. So remember, I'm trading a $5,000 account. So I'm putting $200 at risk on a little bit of a longer dot trade. The series kind of short time frame. Let's see. That's not looking great. Marco was like getting fun for a second. Now it's no, 𝗬𝗏. This is where you have to bounce. Where's my trend arrows? All right, last line. I'm just gonna hold out the stop. I'm not really at much risk there in 𝗬𝗏. It is breaking though. Okay, so let's just double check. I'm happy with where the stop loss is. It is just, it's like all over the place, to be honest. I really want the soul trade. So what I might do, okay guys, I'm going to, I like the soul trade. No, what is this? Okay, it's my 𝗬𝗍𝗓 hit. No. I'm about to enter it.
What is this interest?
Yeah, soul. Come on, a little bit lower. Okay, I think I'm gonna hit. Is 𝗬𝗍 gonna hold here? It's on the 618. Okay, I got a bit here. I'm gonna try the soul trade, and then I'm done. No, man, why are you doing that? $786, come a little bit lower. Okay, my 𝗬𝗍 is gonna hit. Okay, hit 𝗬𝗍. Yeah, I'm not going to lose much in this trade. I have lost a bit on fees though. Okay. Come, 𝗬𝗍, can you hit you so you can free up some cash? That's fine. I'm going to go the soul trade. Okay, so stop loss and soul, 8420. Okay, $51. Long on soul. Can definitely go a little bit more long on it. Okay, 84.20 is where I got my stops here. $93 at risk, my 𝗬𝗓𝗍. Are you going then? In? Another funded. Yeah, you must go in like 10% for that stop loss. So you either do 10 or 25% position sizes when you enter. I'll show you. Okay, so again, clarifying, dots I'm holding a little longer. It's not a massive position, $600 on 20x. Then I have a Solana position. It's right about a $20,000 position size. And then I got a 𝗬𝗓 position. Let's just have a look at 𝗬𝗓. Glad I got a SOL entry. It needs to get through here. Go, 𝗬𝗓, go. Fake out, go. Go, go, go. Okay, so again, next candle is likely to come down. But if we can close above the trend, no. Close above the trend. 3 months time. It must stay above here. Then there's a chance the next candle will start off a little bit red. Here, come down, and then it should turn up. That would be great. But if it closes below, then not good. TP on SOL. So obviously I don't know what leverage you guys are on. But like, so let's see where the 618 is here. Yeah, so probably around like the 87.8 to the area of the 88.4. So those are like a good hot TP zone. That's like the midterm type of bearish view, because then we'll basically go up there and then come down again. But obviously if it breaks out, I just want to see if there's any key trends here for breakouts. Yeah, there is a chance of back to the 90, kind of mark. So it depends. You can either like, if the profits are good, you have profits, you take profits there. Otherwise, you just move the stops up above entry and just ride it out of it. Put the bottom trend in. I'm not gonna give up on this dot. I think it's gonna pay. Okay, so what I want to see is, obviously I don't want to break below the trend again, but I want to see a little drop over the next 15 minutes and then an engulfing green candle. So we can go to bed and leave our stop losses in. I probably chose the title earlier today. Yes, but Bitcoin was pumping. Matt, we must freshen up the title there. Okay, so this should come down a little bit and then up. Come on. Hit the 618 on Bitcoin. What's that?
Canada.
What is that?
Canada.
Trying to see what
Yeah,
flags.
okay, well, similar to Canada. I thought maybe it'd be.
Canada's got like the leaf.
Maybe it was the Canada. Flower. Which? Oh, Peru.
Michael, what you trading, bro? Done. Ah, come on. High, low bounce. This is where we need to see some strength. Come on. I think that's it for my amount of trades today. Okay, Sol's bouncing, but I'm glad I got a Solana entry. So guys, the plan with Sol is I'm also looking to hold it a little bit. But there's a nice key breakout. This top trend here. So there's a little fake wick here, but you got 1, 2, 3 touches. And this thing eventually breaks. I'm gonna add a bit, stops up, and ride it for that 88 to 89. You can see I'm kind of fishing today, just testing a couple altcoins out. One of them will win, they should win. Okay, DOT's still bearish. Short term. Okay, there's a... Shit, I think we must get some desks and like kit this place out. Then everyone's got like, this Dino comes out. There's a lot of guys that want to come trade. Chill and trade. And then we just chill and trade it up. We'll use the studio as well. Sol, yes, go Sol.
Still remember the good old days when you were riding it up to 78.
Yeah. Come on.
I still love you. Hey, no. Like, I'm the point, buddy. Being very tolerated.
Go Sol.
Tolerated.
Go Sol. Oh, we should have actually added for you guys. Just so much going on in my brain here. There's a retest you add. Okay, at least we got something in Sol. Sui bouncing back in there. Yes. We live on. Come on. Let's come trade with us, dude. Especially now, we're moving back to the altcoins again. We're long or short? I'm long. For now. Yes, go, Sol. Oh, I didn't get a lot in, but it's something.
So basically just needs to break out of 85, 6.
I think Sui is moving as well. Go, Sui. Oh, is this Sui here?
So it shows when
Oh no, it's higher.
When Sol parks like 85, 6, 8, 85, 7. That's a good point.
Yeah, so you can see the 15-minute candle still 10 minutes out. So we want to see a close outside there. So yeah, we got to get above like 85, 70. Is it whiskey time already? It's always Brandon's time. No, this is true. This is true. We're just trading. There's still resistance above though. Yes, go. Can dot finally pump? Go dot. Go dot. That's a good candle. Let's see if this thing closes outside here. It's like this can take another 20 minutes or so. Sol's probably gonna come down again. Not low though. It'll come down probably 84.9. Maybe something like this again. Then poof, it'll be good. Okay, wow, look at that stop. Just look at this, guys. Let's take us off here. How's that stop loss? I'm pretty sure I left it there, right? Yeah, I did. That's a good stop loss. We've had a few good stop losses today. Oh, for now. So if I get stopped out, it doesn't count. Oh, Sol. Break it. Well, we got to get you to like 25, 30K position size. Well, in this trade, yeah. Because then a push to like 92, 93. How much is that then? Like 2.5, 4, 3K? Which is good. Then we can start building. Okay, neo bounce. Guys, so massive shout out. If you're not trading 𝗬𝗡, good exchange. I do have a link below in the description. Let me show you guys. The reason why I'm saying is because it's going to be quite beneficial on the next streams. Sniper trading. Here we go. Quite beneficial on the next streams. Okay. Here we go. There's a 50% deposit bonus. So you're not looking for exchange. There we go. Link below in the description. Bunch of sign-up bonuses. I think yeah, it's just for a. Wow. Hear myself. We'll change that now. We've just followed them on social media, get $100, which is cool. Deposit bonuses, volume bonuses. Okay, let's jump back in. Where do I get? This must refresh. Okay, we'll be back in 5. Oh, music's a bit more vibey. Hey, make money, go. Ah, everything's green, even dots, $7. Buy me a cold drink tomorrow. Okay, chat, do I leave it in? Do I leave my take profit in? Or is this thing going to the moon? Ah, Sol's right into that resistance. I need to get through here. So there's two resistances. There's one we just rejected there. Oh, do I leave it in? Do I leave it in? Oh, do I leave it in? Oh no. No. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's good, but I'm out. Oh no. I just zoomed out. I'm like, ah, this thing's breaking out. Come on. Don't do it to me now. Okay, I'm happy. Maybe it reject, but come on. Oh. Okay, how much we make? Why is it not telling me the price close price? Maybe it was a good close. We'll see. Ah! I did take. Okay, it might actually be a good TP. Wait, let's see here. Okay, I'm happy. If it breaks through, I'll be sad, but it's okay. There's resistance ahead. Okay, we're up $1,000 at least. I see chat's a little bit low. Wait, I got a trick. Who wants a bit-funded giveaway? Does anyone want a bit-funded giveaway? I see the chats are dead. But then you promised me something. You got to keep the chats way more live in the future. But does anyone want a bit-funded $5,000 package? Let me know. Oh, there's the chat. Hi, chat. Hey, everyone. Pump fund. Okay, let's go. Let's give I'll give away two $5,000 accounts. Okay, Marcus, you in. In the future, I'm going to be giving any of these giveaways to those who chat the most. The most comments in the whole show. If I find you, you're in. Okay, Marcus, thank you so much. Link below in the description. You'll find an email address. Just send through to that. Prove that that's you and send your user ID for Bitfunded or your email. Okay, so you have been chatting. Yes. You get a Bitfunded account. Yeah, there's a Bitcoin drop off. Is the Bitcoin dominance like dropping hardcore? Oh, it is. How did I do on my 𝗬𝗎 sale? Where is it? I hope it was good. Oh, I'm not even sharing. Maddie, I'm not sharing, bro. Chat woke up fast. This guy's been trying, eh? I think we should maybe give him one, eh? So he's been chatting the whole night. Yeah, let's give him a 5K. Link below in the description. Send your email address. Yeah, you are. I think I've given you a Bitfunded before, actually. Holy chat flood. Now the chat's alive. Here we go. I feel a little bit sick, but I can build on the Solana trade if the Sol trade gets bullish soon. Okay, guys, we are going to rest up as a team. We've got a big week ahead of us. We have a lot more live trading coming. So again, I'm in 3 trades. Got out of the 𝗬𝗎 trade. Nice, $1,000, around I think $900 profit, which is good. I'm in a DOT long and I'm in a Solana long. Got stop loss, probably risking around $200-300. So around 2% risk, considering with the win today. But just want to update you guys quick. Sol's good. If it breaks here, I might add a little bit more and update my stop. We'll see. But Sol's looking decent. And DOT, I'm kind of trading it off of a higher time frame move here. There we go. Go DOT. Go DOT. It's actually breaking out. It's actually breaking out. One more high ahead here. I'm going to add a tiny little bit more to the DOT position. And then I'm done. And then I'm finished. That's backing too much. Okay, how much am I risking? 350. Let's limit that a bit. Okay, around 280. Okay, so I'll still be up for the day quite nicely. Okay, I'm a little bit in more on DOT. Sol I'm in. So Sol stop loss around 84.2. That's mine. And then the DOT one, 1.485 is my stop. Go DOT. It's time you give us some profits here. Okay, guys, have a great evening. Remember to subscribe. Big week this week. Make sure you're on here on Wednesday and Thursday, big streams. And I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Lots of love. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.